As we age, staying active and mobile becomes more important than ever. But did you know that what you eat can either strengthen your legs or slowly rob you of your ability to move freely? Forget expensive supplements or miracle cures. Some of the most powerful allies for your bones, joints, and muscles are likely sitting in your pantry right now, hidden in plain sight. We're talking about legumes, seeds, and seaweed, simple foods with extraordinary benefits. In today's video, we're uncovering 9 foods that can transform your leg strength, support your bones, and help you move with confidence well into your golden years. And yes, we're backing it all with science. Let's dive in. 1. Lentils, the leg muscle builder. Lentils are more than just a comfort food. They're a leg-strengthening powerhouse. Packed with plant-based protein, they help maintain and rebuild muscle tissue, especially important if you're over 60 and losing muscle mass each year. Lentils are also loaded with magnesium, a mineral that supports muscle contraction and helps reduce cramps and fatigue in your legs. And here's the kicker. Just 1 cup of cooked lentils gives you over 15 grams of protein and 350 milligrams of potassium, which is essential for preventing muscle weakness. Whether in soups, stews, or salads, lentils can help you walk further, stand longer, and feel stronger. 2. Chickpeas, bone-friendly and muscle-fueling. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are more than a hummus ingredient. They're a nutritional goldmine. They contain calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, 3 key minerals your bones rely on for strength and density. But that's not all. Chickpeas are rich in protein and iron, which are crucial for muscle oxygenation and energy. 1 cup of chickpeas has over 12 grams of fiber and 14 grams of protein, helping you stay full while also supporting your legs with the fuel they need. Add them to salads, curries, or roast them for a crunchy snack. Your bones and muscles will thank you. 3. Black beans, for circulation and muscle repair. Black beans support your legs from the inside out. They're packed with antioxidants, fiber, and folate, which improve circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your leg muscles. That means less fatigue, faster recovery, and stronger performance during walks or exercises. Plus, black beans are a great source of iron and zinc, which your body needs to build and repair muscle tissue, especially as you age. They pair perfectly with rice, soups, and burrito bowls, and help keep your legs strong and steady. 4. Edamame, plant-based protein with a bonus. These young soybeans are more than a tasty snack. Edamame is rich in complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build muscle. This is especially important for maintaining leg strength and preventing muscle loss as you age. But edamame also contains isoflavones, natural plant compounds that may help reduce bone loss and boost density, especially in postmenopausal women. Toss them into stir-fries, steam them with sea salt, or add to salads for a leg-friendly protein boost. 5. Chia seeds, small but mighty for joints. Tiny as they are, chia seeds pack a big punch. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce joint inflammation, a common issue that makes walking and standing painful for older adults. Chia seeds also contain calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, essential nutrients for maintaining strong bones and preventing fractures. Add a tablespoon to your morning smoothie, oatmeal, or yogurt. It's a simple step that supports joint flexibility and leg mobility. 6. Pumpkin seeds, the magnesium muscle secret. Pumpkin seeds, or pepitas, are one of the best sources of magnesium, a mineral that helps prevent muscle cramps, spasms, and weakness, especially in the legs. They also contain zinc, which aids in tissue repair, and iron, which supports oxygen delivery to leg muscles during activity. Just a small handful a day can boost your leg endurance and help you stay active without the aches. Sprinkle them on salads, blend into sauces, or enjoy them as a crunchy snack. 7. Flax seeds, joint support and bone strength. Flax seeds are another omega-3 rich seed that fights inflammation and joint stiffness. But what makes flax seeds unique is their lignans, plant compounds that support hormonal balance, which can impact bone density in older adults. They also contain calcium and magnesium, helping strengthen both bones and muscles. Grind flax seeds to unlock their nutrients, then add them to smoothies, baked goods, or cereals. Your joints will move more freely, and your legs will feel lighter. 8. Seaweed, nature's calcium treasure. Seaweed, especially varieties like nori, wakame, and kelp, is a secret weapon for leg and bone health. It's incredibly rich in calcium, magnesium, and iodine, minerals that support bone density, thyroid function, and muscle control. Seaweed also contains antioxidants that reduce inflammation and promote joint healing. Many older adults unknowingly suffer from iodine deficiency, which can lead to fatigue and leg weakness. A small serving of seaweed can help correct that. Add dried seaweed to soups, sprinkle flakes on salads, or enjoy it in sushi rolls. It's a flavorful way to feed your bones and boost mobility. 9. Spirulina, the green protein for strength and endurance. Spirulina is a blue-green algae, and one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. It contains 60 to 70% protein by weight and is loaded with B vitamins, iron, magnesium, and antioxidants, all essential for leg muscle repair, energy production, and inflammation control. Studies show spirulina can reduce muscle fatigue and improve endurance, especially in older adults. Add a teaspoon of spirulina powder to your smoothie or mix it into a glass of water for a quick nutrient boost that supports leg strength and stamina. Leg strength isn't just about exercise, it's about fueling your body with the right foods. Lentils, chickpeas, seaweed, chia seeds, and the others we explored today aren't just healthy. They're powerful tools for staying mobile, independent, and active as you age. Start by adding just 1 or 2 of these foods into your meals this week. Small changes can lead to big improvements in how your legs feel and move. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs stronger legs, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on healthy aging. Stay strong, stay moving, and we'll see you in the next video.